Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting our hands on a much-anticipated vehicle, the all-new 2025 Cadillac Pickup. Buckle up, because this truck is redefining what it means to be luxurious and powerful. Its design. Let's start with that head-turning exterior. Cadillac hasn't skimped here. The design borrows from the electric Escalade IQ, with sharp lines and a bold front grille that screams confidence. It's definitely a looker, but it maintains that classic Cadillac elegance. The designers have struck a perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement. The high ground clearance and muscular fenders hint at its capability, while the chrome accents and signature Cadillac lighting elements add a touch of undeniable class. This truck isn't afraid to get dirty, but it'll do it in style. Interior. Now climb in and prepare to be wowed. The interior is a first-class cabin on wheels. Think premium leather throughout, with real wood accents and soft touch materials that feel amazing. Cadillac didn't forget about tech either. We've got a massive curved OLED display that controls the infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster that keeps everything you need right at your fingertips. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile office and entertainment center. Performance. But a Cadillac needs to perform, and this one doesn't disappoint. The base model packs a punch with a 6.2L V8 engine churning out 420 horsepower. That's enough muscle to get you where you need to go and tow some serious weight. Now, for those who crave even more excitement, rumors suggest a supercharged V8 option is on the horizon, boasting a whopping 682 horsepower. That would put this truck in competition with some of the most extreme performance trucks on the market. Its unique points. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike most luxury trucks, the Cadillac Pickup isn't just about showing off. It's also built tough. Cadillac hasn't released official towing and payload capacities yet, but whispers suggest they'll be highly competitive. This truck can handle your weekend getaways and job site needs without breaking a sweat. Another unique feature? The available all-electric option under the Escalade IQ name. This powerhouse is expected to deliver a mind-blowing 750 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time in under 5 seconds. That's electric muscle car territory in a truck. Tech and safety. Of course, no modern Cadillac is complete without top-of-the-line safety features. We're talking automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a whole suite of driver assistance technologies. This truck will keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Price and release date. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but experts predict a starting price around $99,000, which puts it right in line with other luxury trucks. As for the release date, Cadillac is hinting at a late 2024 or early 2025 launch. That means the wait is almost over. The 2025 Cadillac Pickup is a game changer. It blends luxury, performance, and capability in a way we haven't seen before. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this Cadillac is definitely worth a look. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Cadillac Pickup. If you're interested in learning more, leave a comment below and let us know what questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy adventuring.